Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to rig this gripper mechanism in Blender. So let's start. So I'm importing this gripper.obj, click on import wavefront and it's imported but quite a big size. So I will press S.1 to scale it down. I think this much is fine. Select this default view, press X and delete. Now uh, select this light as well, press X and delete. Select this, press R X 90, press S.1. Let's click down one more time. Yeah, now it's better. A question comes to your mind, how should I approach to make this read? This is a very important thing. So let's see. So what I'm going to do. So first I will draw a bone like this, and as you can see that this need to be go upside up basically. So I need to create a bone here and a bone here as well. So when this bone will move forward, this bone will copy its location on the z-axis and will go upward. Because of that, this will also move upward and downward. For those who don't understand, don't worry. We are going to see how to make it, so you will understand. So first, I need to place my bones correctly. So go to add armature. Okay, great. Select this. Press tab. Click on divide. Divide, not white. Divide icon. The slash icon. Okay, this is divide icon on your numpad and click on divide icon, press uh, make sure that you're in face mode, press alt shift, make sure that you selected all the face, shift as cursor to be selected. Okay, great. Press tab, click on divide icon again, select this, shift as selection to cursor. Great, we are here. Now I will select this tab, divide icon, alt shift, alt shift. For some reason it is not selecting all of them. Press 2, select the edge. Let's always select the whole edge. So I'm just selecting the second loop. So I need to select the second loop somewhere as well. Yes, it is selecting whole. Shift as cursor to be selected. Tab, divide icon. Go to the bones tab and select this. Shift as selection cursor. Great. Some work is done here. Select this tab, divide icon again, and I'm going to select the second loop again. So alt shift. Make sure that you're in edge mode. Alt shift. Shift as cursor to be selected. Okay, it's not here. Shift as cursor to be selected again. Okay, why it is not working? The reason was that when I go to the edit mode, I also selected this one. So that is the reason it is not working. So I have to click on this canvas area. So now press Alt Shift. Press Alt Shift again. Now Shift as cursor to be selected. Now it's there. Make sure that you only select it where you want to be. If you selected extra, then this might not work properly. Click on divide icon. Select the bone tab, divide icon. Press E to extrude it. Select this, shift as selection to cursor. Now what I have to do is select this, press E, Z. Click on divide icon. Now what I will do, I will select all of them, press R, Z and make it rotate to 30 degrees. The reason I have done it so that I can align the bones. So select the bones, armature basically, object, uh, mm, pause mode, transform, press A to select all armatures, recalculate, yes, and global y-axis. Yep, this works fine for me. Notice it's aligned perfectly. This is basically what I want. Now what I have to do is select this tab by pressing 3 to go to the face selection mode. Select this, make sure that selected all the face. Shift S, cursor to be selected, and over here select the bone tab, add bone, add a single bone. So I'm not able to see my armature. What I can do, mm, visibility, viewport display in front. Now that's better. Solid. Select this, press G, Z, move downwards. Press, okay, sorry. S to scale it down. G, Z, okay. G, Z. Select this bone, right click and parent, clear it. Clear parent. So if I go to the pause mode right now, press G, notice it can move freely. Great. Now select this bone and this one, press Ctrl Shift C. You can see Shift Control C, click on inverse kinematic. So if I select this, press G Z, it is moving. So this is basically what I want to do. But now what I will do, select this bone. Let's select this bone, press F2 and give it a name. Let's say uh, piston rod. Why it is writing in Hindi? Okay. Piston rod. Okay. Select this. Now what I want copy the location. And make sure that you don't select this constraints. This constraints works on objects, not for the bones. So you will select the bone constraint, click on here. What I want, copy location. Great. Okay, which object? I want to select the copy location of this one. I select the armature. Now I will select the piston rod. That is the reason I give it a name. uh, what location do I want to copy? Is it expired? No, I just only want to copy the Z location. So if I select this pawn, press G Z, notice it is moving forward, backward, forward, backward. That's great. Great success. Now what I have to do, select these bones, go to the edit mode and Shift D R. Okay, press Ctrl Z. Okay, press Escape, Ctrl Z. Make sure that there are only 4 bones here in the armatures. 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 bones. And click on here. Click on 3D cursor. Now select these three bones. Press Shift D R Z. Uh, how much it will be? 120. Shift R. So let's see if it is working or not. Pause mode. Select this. Press G Z. Yay! It's working, guys. Now what I have to? I have to fix some model issues. For example, if you select this, notice it's selected all the 3 bones. I don't want it. So I will select this tab, select this face, press L, P, separate by material, tab, select this tab, select this face, L, P, separate by material, separate by sections. Now this automatically, unwinded with it. Now let's see what else. If I select this one, notice that they are connected with this one. Let's hide the armature for a second. Now they all are connected with this one. I don't want it. I want to be separate individuals. So what I will do, I will select this, press L, and select this face, press L. Okay, wrong. Select this, press L. Not working. Why it is not working? Press L. Okay, it now works. Now P by selection. Let's see if it's correctly or not. G. Yep. Select this tab. Select this L. Select this L. Not working. Select this L. Now it's working. P selection. Now let's see if it's correctly or not. Yep, this works. Select these bolts. Notice that these bolts are also have issues. So select this. Press L P by selection. Select this. Select this face. Press L P by selection. Now what you have to do is select this one and select this one. Press Ctrl P object. So you can see I can move it now. In other cases, for example this one, uh, what I can do, so what I was saying, select this L P selection, select this L P selection, L P selection, L P selection, and L P selection. Okay, great. Now I have to do repeat the steps for this one. So select this tab. Uh, you know what I was thinking, that I can delete them and then use array. But the issue is that it will be the same work because I have to select them manually. If I can select manually, then what's the point? Press L P selection. And for those who are wondering why I doesn't create a thread on this model, it will, put the load on my computer a lot, and my PC is unfortunately not that good, so I can't do that. L P by selection, L P by selection, pop up one, do I need it? Yes, select this face, L. Okay, I accidentally just selected this face. Press Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Select this L L P by selection. Select now. Select this face and this face. Control P object. Accidentally, I select this face and it becomes separate path. You can, I think you can also select these two. Press Control J to join them. Yep, this one. Do I need to do here? No, because these are static places. They are not going to move, so I don't need to worry. Now select this one, sorry, press G, okay, select this and select this, press Control P object, select this and select this, Control P object, G, select this and select this, press Control P object, select this and select this, Control P object, select this and select the claw, press Control P object. So what's left? Okay, this one. Select these all of them. Not this one. Select this one and this one. After the end, select this one. Press Control P object. Now let's look at the mature and do the rigging part. So I will go to the first, click on edit and check the lock object modes. Now I will select my bonds and go to the post mode. Select this and select this one, select this one and select this bond. Okay. Now if I press Control P, bond, select this one, and by pressing Shift select this bond. Press Control P, bond, select this one and select this one. So select this one first, object, and then the bond. Press Control P, bond. Now let's see if it is working or not. So if I select this, press G, Z, it's working but not the way I want. Hmm, okay, I think this one is not correctly matched. Select this one and by pressing this bond, press Control P, bond. I will select this, press G, Z. Now it's a little bit better, but not this one. Select this and select this bond at the center. Press Control P, bond, and press G, Z. Something is not okay. Maybe the issue is select this, hide the armature first. Sorry. Okay, the issue was that this bone and this bone, this object is a single object, so that is the issue. So how to resolve it? Make it separate parts. Select this tab, select this face, press L. Select this face, press L, press L, P selection. Now let's see our bones. Now if I try to do parent it, go to the object mode, select this object, then select this bone, press Ctrl P, bone, G Z. Yep, it's working now fine. Repeat the steps for the other bone. Select this object and select this bone. Press Ctrl P, bone. Select this and select this bone. Ctrl P, bone. And select this one. Ctrl P, bone. Select this and select this bone. Ctrl P, bone. Now select this, press G, Z. Yeah, it's working guys, it's working. That's the thing. Now select this, press G, Z. And you can see how my claws are working. And I have another channel called Engineer Now where I make models from the CAD, and this is from where this model comes up. It's up to you whether you want to go there or not. So GZ. Hmm. Now how I can do the animation? That's the real thing. So first what I will do, I press GZ, move it forward, and I think up to there. Okay, that's good. Now I will go to the bone constraint, click on here wireframe, go to the, let's say, 130 and move it downward like this. Keyframe, select this, copy, make it 260, go to the end frame, press Ctrl V, zoom out, select all of them. What was the sheet? This is, key. I want interpolation type to be linear. Okay, it's a T shortcut key. I forgot it. So if I click on play, and it's working guys. Let's hide the bone. So this is how it looks like. What do you guys think? It's quite, easy. No, I know will not say difficult task. And if you want this project file, you can find this project file on my Udemy course. Okay, so that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.